Okay guys, we got an packages. It's under by my name. This packages, it should be a cafe from Paradigma Kopi Cafe. Okay, cafe. Let's open this. This is an unboxing video. So this video is requirement to claim if something going wrong. If my video appear in your feed and you don't like, I'm so sorry. This is my unboxing video. Oh, nice. They hold like this. That's good. Okay, it's all sealed. Okay. The tear in there. This is it. Okay. It's a kind of Kopi Lanang 250 GR Kopi Lanang peaberry coffee. Okay. It's very tight packaging. I doesn't know where to open. But thank you. This is so very zero. Very dangerous if we make a wrong cut. The coffee will fly away. Okay, let's open this. It's too thick. Packaging is very thick and good. This is it. Product, sorry, too long. You can hit this Paradigma Kopi Lanang gunung Arjuna, 100% pure coffee. Looks like this. What is Kopi Lanang? Kopi Lanang is a single coffee. That's not chew. This should be good. Kopi Lanang from Arjuna mountain in Jawa Timur, Indonesia. This is a monocotyl, not dicotyl head of coffee beans. You know, coffee beans is monocotyl, one single seed, not dicotyl. It's called Kopi Lanang. Okay, so this is it. We buy 2 packages. Thank you for watching.